Ito ang Radyo 5, 101.9 News FM, todo radyo serbisyo.
Ang takna, alas 6:35 sa Kabuntagon. Maayong buntag mga kapatid, kini si Attorney Omar Ridula sa usa ka special edition sa usa ka segment nato sa Francahayta. Di ataroy mga dinapit, nagkuan ni sila kining gitawag ni silang representative sa Vital C, bag-o ning health product, no. Unya ato mga bisita karon si Dr. Jose M. Oclarit, PhD Applied Biochemistry o Molecular Biology from Hiroshima University, Japan. Ug kauban niya si Manuel Cultura, Wellness Consultant ni sa Vital C. Ug diapod kauban po nato si Febris Ruizo, Registered Dealer ni sa Vital C. Sugdan tani sa pagpangutana ni Dr. Jose M. Oclarit, no? Kay mga Tagalog man ni sila. Magtinagalog lang taron.
Bisaya.
Okay.
Bisaya po di ay. Sige.
Good morning mga kapatid, kini si Titus Borromeo. Makig-uban ko karon ni Attorney Omar Ridula alang sa usa ka special edition sa ato ang Francahayta. Kauban nato mga partners sa Francahayta karong adlaw. Yes, Attorney.
Atong paminawon si Dr. Jose M. Oclarit, no? Doctor, I think usa ka sa mga naka-formulate ining formula sa Vital C, no?
Basically, I am the Vice President for Research and Product Development. So any product the company wants to introduce, it passes through me for scrutiny of its efficacy and mechanism of actions. So ako yung responsible doon sa mga produkto na anong action niya, kung anong magagawa doon sa katawan, kung masama, yan hindi ko nire-recommend, no?
Okay.
So basically ang flagship product ng company, we are now shifting to a new paradigm shift to the new products addressing the number one killer of disease in the world, no?
Which is
actually the disease of the heart.
Okay.
Ischemia of the heart.
Before we continue, Doctor, could you give us a backgrounder of unsa ning Vital C?
Yeah, what is really Vital C?
Vital C is primarily it is a pharmaceutical as well as cosmetics and food industry. Is now extending to several health products. So, but our flagship product, it's all started with one product only. We have, that is the alkaline vitamin C, the first alkaline vitamin C in veggie capsule here in the Philippines. Anong pagkaiba nitong alkaline vitamin C sa ordinary vitamin C? The ordinary vitamin C is just plain ascorbic acid, which is it has a pH of 2.8 to 3.1, which is destructive to our body. It was not recognized not until lately that the ascorbic acid that is sold in the market is not appropriate for the human body, because tayo pwede naman Bisaya or naman makasabot kani atong lawas, kung mukaon ta og pagkaon nato, it is natural for us to produce acids. That is why you have heard probably of the trend nga kinahanglan na atay antioxidant. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng antioxidant? Kanang mo kanay mga mo fight o mag-neutralize sa atong natural acids. So ang ascorbic acid before is no longer appropriate for us now, because
do you mean kani pang mga ascorbic acid nga gibaligya over the counter? On gihapon ni siya?
Kung naay kanang nga dili na mao ang among vitamin C, because as I said, we are on the alkaline form. Kanang mga vitamin C nga acidic, you cannot take it more than 4 tablets in a day.
Meaning pila ka milligrams na?
That's about 2,000 milligrams. Kasi most preparations for adults is 500 milligrams per tablet, or so. In other words, you cannot take more than 4. But 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C is not enough, especially kung magsakit ka. No? So, you go beyond, as studied by the Nobel Prize awardee Dr. Linus Pauling, who studied extensively on the efficacy of vitamin C. In his study, Dr. Pauling asserted that the majority of the modern chronic diseases is largely due to lack of vitamin C. As a matter of fact, in their studies, chronic lack of vitamin C could lead you to cancer. So, kung wala kang vitamin C sa katawan mo, it will lead to a dreaded disease, which is cancer. Not only that, there are so many, like yung arthritis. That's a part, it's basically due to the absence of vitamin C. Kasi nga, ang nangyari pala sa katawan natin, pag nawala yung vitamin C natin, tinitake over ng uric acid yan. So, ang uric acid has also almost the same characteristic of vitamin C. They are also they are electron donors, but in the process, they degrade our cartilage. That's why it causes pain in the joints. So yun ang masama. So kaya nga, now that we know that the ordinary vitamin C is not good, so that's the reason why the sodium ascorbate is now increasing in popularity sa society ngayon. Pero hindi lang ang sodium ascorbate ang alkaline, mayroon pang iba. Like kung may marinig kayo na mga potassium ascorbate, alkaline din yan, except for calcium ascorbate, which is a little acidic. So ang can we say that ang trend ngayon is shifting from the acid-based vitamin C to alkaline-based na vitamin C?
Before we continue, Titus, no, for the benefit of our listeners, unsa may diferensya ining acidic o alkaline?
And unsa benefits ini?
Kung moingon kang acidic, in the order of 7, kasi ang pH ng lahat ng bagay sa mundo is from 0 to 14. So ang tubig, kung distilled water siya, neutral yan. Yung 7 pababa, acidic yun. Yung 7 pataas, alkaline. Ang advantage ng alkaline is, since our body are producing acid, so the alkaline things that we eat or drink will more or less neutralize. So, ang sabi na nga iba, bakit ka pa mag-alkaline? Samantalang na acid naman doon sa katawan. But in essence, taking in alkaline form would help our body maintain a certain pH, which is about 7.4, for the body to function very efficiently.
Muna ideal 7.4 pH.
7.4. That is actually in the bloodstream. Pero pagdating doon sa loob ng ating cell, dapat 7. So, mayroon yang contrast, yung doon sa loob, 7, which is neutral. Yung doon sa labas, yung the blood circulating in our system should be 7.4.
Is there a way that we would know kung
mayroon. There is a very simple test. You can even use a litmus paper to
the usual
know.
Nga test whether it's acid or base.
Pagkakita mo na pink yan, ano yan, acid yan. Pagkakita mo na blue yun, then it is alkaline.
Unsa may diferensya ning alkaline o base?
Pareho lang.
Pareho na.
Base o alkaline, maura na siya.
Okay.
Basic or alkaline.
Okay.
Unya kining naara bagay misconception, and we have been practicing this all through sa atong naandan nga og sipunon ta og we feel down nya muratag kuan under the weather. Vitamin C.
Dayon.
So unsa man, is it still a valid remedy?
That is really valid. That is why we are now informing everyone na instead of using the acidic vitamin C, of course, the acidic vitamin C can also have effect for short period, no? Or kaya yung maliit lang yung kanyang efficacy. Pero kung mag-take ka ng alkaline vitamin C, it is really very beneficial to what you call prevention of infection, prevent this usual yung mga trangkaso, sipon, ubo. Ang mechanism naman doon is that when you take vitamin C, your membranes or your skin become strong. So therefore, microorganisms could hardly penetrate. Ang mga microorganism kasi, is yung katawan natin, the first line defense natin, skin. So if you're exposed to atmospheric conditions or anywhere, microorganisms can get inside us through our skin. You call it parenteral entry or gastrointestinal entry. Kung matibay yung skin mo, or even your linings of your respiratory tract, the linings of your gastrointestinal tract, the linings of the urinary system, then walang makapasok na microorganisms, and that is true vitamin C.
Now, the next question, Doctor, is kining inyong produkto available na ni sa market?
Ay, of course, it's now even available in about 20 countries of the world.
Unsa may brand nga sa Pilipinas?
This is Vital C. The name,
brand niya.
This is the brand name, Vital C. The most superior and natural mineral sodium ascorbate in the Philippines today.
Now, if we want to go into marketing, we believe in the product, how can we join the market?
I think it will be discussed by our number one distributor, Mr. Manny Cultura, in a shortly. I will just
you just wrap up.
I will just insert because our flagship product is now shifting not only to vitamin C but to the product called Natto Shield, which is actually a natto kinase. Usa ni siya ka klase sa product. The word natto is for the Japanese term for soybeans.
Okay.
So we take this from soybean concoction that is grown with the Bacillus subtilis natto, na pag nag-combine na yung soybeans at saka yung bacteria, may lumalabas na kinase, yang siyang bungkago niya ang mga clots sa atong lawas. Sa ato pa lugar, og naay mga thrombosis diya.
Blood thinner po dito.
Blood thinner, precisely. You got it right. It is actually equivalent to our aspirin, warfarin, clopidogrel, ito mga blood thinning agent. Ang masama dun sa mga artificial,
pero di na yung gastric irritant.
Iyaw niya, yung didiscuss ko sa iyo.
Okay.
Ang nakakaiba nitong Natto Shield or natto kinase doon sa mga usual na blood thinning agent, those can cause bleeding. Bakit? Yung mga substance na iyan inhibits the clot formation sa tao. Kumbaga, kung sugatan ka, masamad ka, naamang yun tanay clot. Pero this aspirin or clopidogrel, they inhibit the hemostatic function, yung pag-form ng clot. Pero ito hindi. The usual clotting mechanism is still there, but the actual mechanism of this Natto Shield is to prevent the aggregation of blood cells, especially when you become acidic, when you are so busy, when you are under stress. Usually pag under stress tayo, we become our blood becomes sticky. Because the red blood cells, kung tanaw nimo sa microscope, magpilit-pilit sila. So muna nga mag-cause din siya hypertension kaya di man makaagi ang
blood. Mga high blood kung na-stress ka.
Masuko gani ka, ma-high blood gyud ka. Ngano man, pagkasuko nimo acidic, pilit imong dugo, di na makaagi dito sa mga blood vessels, di makaagi sa ugat, mobalik sa kasing-kasing, mag-iyon ng kasing-kasing, bumba o kusog, mo high blood pressure dayon ka.
No din ay explanation.
Mo na explanation.
Pero mag-take ang Natto Shield nga
pag inom ni mo Natto Shield within just 30 minutes, that will be restored to normal. Bakit?
Inana kapaspas 30 minutes.
Kapaspas within 30 minutes or even less. Ang pinaka-optimum na yung kinuha namin na 30, pero siguro mga 20 minutes nandiyan na. Bakit? Once the substance is assimilated, it prevents the aggregation of blood cells. Kasi lalo na pag acidic ang tao. So, once it prevents the aggregation, di wala kang clot, wala kang clogs, wala kang nabubuong bukol-bukol dito, no? So, your blood will flow very efficiently, and we know blood carries oxygen. Kung nagadikit-dikit sila, gamay ra mo oxygen. Pero og tagsa-tagsa sila, they will carry more oxygen delivery, the better it is. It can even increase your focus, your attention, it makes you brilliant, more sharper ang analysis mo. Kaya maganda rin ito sa mga estudyante, maganda maganda ito sa mga teachers and all workers in general, especially for those workaholic people, no? This is really very, very efficient. It's natural because it does not prevent hemostatic function. So ang ganda nito, walang bleeding, walang ano nito. So in another, and
There are
then
kaning mga mga idaran na bitaw nga who are prescribed with aspirin.
this is the complete replacement.
Kani siya.
Oo, kasi natural galing siya galing talaga sa soybeans. Pero yung soybeans nilagyan ng bakterya na yung bakterya ang gumagawa ng nattokinase.
Okay.
Oo, kaya it's natural, no? It has also it is an emulsifier. Well, somehow it prevents the formation of rulu. Pag yung dugo nato nga ma-acidic ta, magkadena na sila, murag mahimo bang kadena, mag-chain. You call it in the medical term rulu formation. That rulu formation all adds up to the viscosity of the blood.
Okay.
Yun din ang makapag-increase ng blood pressure, kasi pag nagdikit-dikit sila and in rulu formation, hindi makapasok dun sa mga maliliit na blood vessel, lalo na sa heart at saka sa brain. No wonder.
Basically, doctor, ang epekto in is hemolytic.
Yes, it will be anticoagulant. More or
Other
less.
than being a hemolytic, unsa pa may laing benefits ining atong produkto?
The other product which I would like to mention is the Vital Gold, which is
Okay,
actually
this is different from
this is different from the Natto Shield or the
Natto Shield.
nattokinase.
Okay.
Ang Vital Gold naman, ang pinaka-highlight na activity niya, it causes the dilation of blood vessels. So while nattokinase makes the blood thin or your blood very efficient, yung gold naman dinadilate. So it's sila complementary sila.
Okay.
So this is good really for people who have heart disease. And on top of the activity of Vital Gold, hindi lang doon sa pagdadilate, kundi nag-i-increase din siya ng overall stamina, endurance and energy especially to elderly men, kasi hindi nang 'di ba, yung sexual desire o kaya may desire pero hindi na consummate kasi walang erection. Ito so in short, nag-i-increase ng erection ito.
So kanang erectile dysfunction.
Yung mga
address
erectile
po.
dysfunction is addressed by this, but it is the positioning of this Vital Gold is different from that of Viagra. Kasi ang Viagra, there is erection because it increases blood pressure.
Okay.
Kaya nga ang tendency doon, pag naroon ka na sa ecstasy sa Viagra, pwedeng mag-heart attack ka doon. Pero this one is not. It increases your stamina. There is increase in erectile function. But it decreases blood pressure because dinadilate nga niya. Because dilation of blood vessels causes the lowering of blood pressure. So the erection in this case is not due to the forceful blood pressure, but rather
The natural
the
way.
giving way of the cavernous cells, dilating it, and then the blood in. That's why there is erection, and it is sustained much better than the other
Murag i-compare na nimo to katong mga enhancing drugs nga kani siya is to be taken daily.
Yeah, to be taken daily, at least 1 or 2 capsules every day.
Every day.
It makes your body there is what you call physiological tone. When you say physiological tone, then the overall system is working best because in itself is nutrient. Meron din siyang kidney cleansing of the kidney function. Dahil siya ay nagdadilate ng mga blood vessels, yung mga clog doon sa kidney mo nawawala.
And then for the benefit of our listeners, doctor, no, FDA approved na ni ato.
Of course, we are excellent in that, no. We do not release any product without our BFAD registration, especially what you call the certificate of product registration, which is a lot higher in level compared to the license to operate, because some people are just selling it with license to operate but they are not BFAD certified.
What's my classification ini? Is it medicine or just a supplement?
Our classification, if we call it is a functional food, it is a supplement. But if you are going to take it from the vantage point of Dr. Hippocrates, who is the father of modern medicine, he said that let your food be your medicine, and your medicine be thy food. So we call it medicine because it can functional medicine because it can intervene, it can manage, it can help alleviate, or not even alleviate, but cure diseases. So on that point, it is a medication. But it is safe because it is food in itself. It is a supplement. That's
So,
why
food and medicine in one.
in one.
Yeah, all natural ngayon.
All natural. Kaya nga doon kami nag-ano doon sa pinaka foundation ni Hippocrates na let your food be your medicine and your medicine be thy
Kaning
food.
gitawag ninyo Vital Gold o kanang nga performance enhancer man eh. Do you recommend it to be taken with Nato Shield?
Yes, that's precisely what we are trying to project because Nato Shield and Vital Gold are in duo. Mayroon silang complementary
function.
The other one increases the circulation and it makes your blood very healthy, and the other one dilates it. And at the same time, in addition, there is a added strengthening of stamina, increases energy and vitality, and of course, improves blood flow and endurance for
Now-
sexual desires.
Now, Doctor, murag nakasabot na tagon sa inyong
Oo,
produkto.
nindot kayo, di ba?
Yes, no. And then ang atong problema ini ron is kining mga taong gusto mo gamit ini, how will we go about it?
Yes.
Di man ka ni over the counter, understand?
Yeah. So, Mr. Cultura will discuss it.
Ato rong
He
sunod
is the expert
paminawon
on that.
si Mr. Manuel Manny Cultura, wellness consultant ni nato sa Vital C.
Businessman o Vital C Philippine dealer. Mr. Cultura, yun sa man yung pag-discover aning Vital C.
Tagalog ata to si Manny.
Okay, but
sorry.
I speak, ano?
Wag na lang.
Paano mo na-discover itong pag-market ng Vital C?
Actually, way back 2008. So anyway, I'd like to greet everyone listening right now. So though we have a limited time, ito po si Manny Cultura and I just arrived actually from Manila, and we're also to promote our new product with Dr. Oclarit and Feb. So sometime 2008, when someone introduced me Vital C, at that time I had this insomnia, high blood, plus yung skin allergy when Vital C was introduced to me. So I was so shocked because talaga napaka-effective yung product, and right now I'm very passionate in sharing the health benefits of the product because to all, lahat ng mga nasisharean ko about the product, talaga may kwento sila. Nakakaiba in the sense that yung kanilang tawag na diabetes, personally ako yung insomnia ko, skin allergy ko, and a lot more na mga sakit. Kaya nabanggit ni Dr. Oclarit that Vital C has really answered yun yung na napakarami mga supplements sa market. Kaya ngayon naging passion ko talaga siya. Ngayon ang maganda rito, ang Vital C is not being promoted traditionally. As I said, we promote the product via direct sales. Meaning available lang siya sa mga registered distributor. So sa mga nakikinig, ako po, since naging passion ko na ibahagi, na mayroon din pong financial dito, benefits. Na sa mga interesado na makinig, we're also offering the second part, which is not only health but wealth as well. Ako being a distributor, and marami na akong mga kasama dito, ordinary people earning extraordinary income. So what does it mean? Ako personally, being a product of Vital C products, okay, I am enjoying also what as an entrepreneur now, nagninegosyo ako sa via direct sales. So imagine po, yung sabi ko nga, isa sa mga naitulong sa akin bukod sa health benefit is yung financial side.
Dating teacher ito. Ngayon ay earning 25 dating teacher si Manny, earning a little only as a teacher, we know, no? So ngayon, in just within 4 years time, almost 4 years pa, nag-earn na siya ng 25 million. Imagine ka,
Okay. At saka sa lahat po nakikinig, I'm sure gusto kong i-share kasi limited lang. I'm sure you would want to know more about our health product. We're inviting them to please see us. Mayroon kaming tinatawag na live cell analysis. If you would want to prove how effective our product is, meron kaming live cell analysis machine na in 30 minutes makikita mo kagad yung result. Right after taking Nato Shield, okay, how it works in your system, what Dr. Oclarit has said, and gaano ka-effective yung product. So, in fact, nandito si Feb, ibibigay ko yung, meron kaming initial meeting, no? Feb, okay lang ba natin yung address or your cell number para
before we continue, Manny, let's try to introduce Feb, no?
Yeah.
Feb is our registered dealer sa Vital C. Her full name is Febris R. Ruizo.
Yes.
Feb, could you give us a few words?
Yeah, sure. Good morning to everybody. I'd like to encourage those who are thinking twice, because I know there are those who are loyal to their own brand. It took me a while to find out what's best in the market. I've been a diabetic for 10 years, and no doctor has ever mentioned about going full, going to vitamin C. And then I realized I don't have the energy anymore, not like before. But when I started taking Vital C, and in just 3 months, I started going back to running around the Abellana track 3 times. This is like, I couldn't believe it myself. I went back to swimming, and I've got all the energy and focus that I had when I was 20. It's totally different. People who would see me now, they couldn't believe the transformation, and I didn't even notice it myself. So I think for those, especially the moms who are thinking twice about the price, I think for you, if you just divide that for how many, just for the month, and within days you can actually feel the difference. That's why I became converted. I became a distributor. So if they'd like to avail of the products,
Just tell them your number.
Yeah, I'll give them my number. Is that okay? Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's 0923-958-9236, and I have another one which is can I just get my it's 0923-958-9236, and the other one is 0918-229-7564. Okay, again, 0918-229-7564. So if you call me, I can give you the details. We have a short meeting this afternoon at McDonald's Jones, 5:30 p.m. Manny will be there.
Now, Feb, if somebody's interested in selling your products, where will they go?
Sabi mo?
Well,
Mamaya, okay. Sir, can I?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so, maganda attorney. So, those who are listening right now, we are inviting you this afternoon at McDonald's. Kasi initially, we would like to meet them.
McDonald's
Jones
Avenue.
What time is it?
5:30.
5:30. Or simply text Fev at her number earlier. Para po, and those, maganda kasi mamaya kung sino po yung libre. Anyway, magmimigay din kami ng product sample for them to test our product. And mamaya-maya po, it's really nice if you have time at 5:30. Please come and we will show you the initial benefits of the product. And in fact, we're coming out with a very special promo para makatulong doon, especially the live cell analysis, no? If you want to have your blood check, and then those who can come, okay lang po, ipakiulit-ulit yung cell number ni Feb para po sa mga nakikinig, because today is Wednesday, so we hope to initially see, para po mai-promote namin yung aming product at 5:30 this afternoon. Feb, kindly mention your number again.
Sure. Again, these are the numbers to contact, please. It's 0923-958-9236. Again, it's 0923-958-9236. And another one, 0918-229-7564. Again, 0918-229-7564.
Paano yung di makapunta sa McDo ngayon?
If they can simply text also Feb, and we can arrange them. Those who cannot make it today, we will have, please text Feb, because we will have another series, no?
Okay. Will you have an office?
Actually, we have it in Quezon City, but we would like to, in Cebu. Do
you have an office in Cebu now?
But, Crown, pero we would like to mention it later, because this is a separate, that the group would like to. Kasi, I repeat po, we promote the product via direct sales sa mga naghahanap ng alternative business, no? Napakaganda po itong umpisahan, ang 2013. I myself and a lot of what we call Cebuanos are enjoying right now. Marami po mga taga Cebu that are earning 15 to 20,000 a week. So, we promote the product. So, ang amin dito ay we promote here to, una, yung health benefits of the product. Second, yung pwede tayong kumita ng extra income. Kasi ang dami pong mga Filipinos here and abroad na natutulungan ng Vital C sa pamagitan ng pagnenegosyo na kahit extra income, talagang totoo po. And because of the health benefits of the product, ang sarap i-promote na nakakatulong ka na in terms of health, nakakatulong ka na in terms of wealth. Kaya maganda po ulit.
Hindi mahirap ibenta.
Mabilis po talaga, attorney, kasi everyone needs vitamin C. Pangalawa, with our new health products, Kaya sa mga naghahanap, ulitin ko po, attorney, yung
Sure, go
nakikinig, sa lahat ng naghahanap ng pagkaka-extra, kahit kayo may existing job, you don't have to leave your job. And sabi ko nga, marami po mga teachers ngayon, guro sa Manila, and even in Cebu, doing Vital C business part-time. And the good thing is, sabi ko ako personally, marami po, may waiter pa nga dito, waiter, janitor, sa sobrang ganda, sa sobrang simple i-promote yung product, very affordable. Yung waiter na yan, in just 3 years sa Vital C, made already 24 million.
May-ari na ng restaurant.
May-ari na ng restaurant, no? Kasi apakasarap.
24 million, no?
Imagine talagang shocking, nakabili na ng bahay, nakabili na ng kotse, and 3 years time doing Vital C direct sales business. But basically, the business really is direct sales. It's now the trend. It's now the trend of product distribution worldwide.
Yes, yeah.
When you go to America, when you go to Europe, and in Asia and the Philippines, everyone now is into direct sales.
Networking na.
Direct sales or network, which is one of the most famous alternative. Kaya lang, ang maganda rito, as they come, we will show them the uniqueness of Vital C. Kasi importante dito, gaano ka-stable, sino ba may-ari, no? Sino ba may-ari ng kumpanya, ano ba yung passion nila, ano ba yung vision, no? So, we would like to initially share it. So, sa lahat po, ulitin ko for the third time, okay, this is our initial, no? This is our initial presentation in Cebu, with regard to our group. Pero marami na rin grupo dito, kaya we had to seek the help of Radio 5. Maraming salamat. And we hope to have a regular infomercial, no?
Yes.
Here on TV5 with my partner here, Feb. So with that, sana po magkita-kita tayo today kung sino po ang libre. Marami kami, may product sample kami pamimigay mamaya. So kahit mga ilan lang sila, kung libre sila, magkita-kita tayo mamaya sa
McDonald's Jones.
McDonald's Jones ang 5:30, no?
5:30, okay.
5:30 this afternoon. So with that, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Dr. Oclarit, Febres Ruizo, and Manny Cultura for sharing to us the benefit of Vital C. We hope we can invite you back one of these days.
Okay, thank you very much, sir, doctor.